Sige na, asa na si RJ? Pasayawin natin si RJ. RJ Koy, good morning. Hindi tayo nakakasabay magkain araw-araw lately.
You can't touch this.
Can't touch this. Oo nga, hawakan yung mga fefe nyo. Don't touch it. Sabihin niyo. Yung mga nandito, bibigyan ko ng
You can't touch this.
number para sa karambola. You can touch this. Don't touch it. Don't touch my pepe. You can touch this.
You can't touch this.
Duhat.
You
You can
can't
touch
touch this.
Oh, you can touch this. Nakakatawa yung buko.
You can't touch this.
Gugupitin to eh. Ngayon, magkaano tayo, kakalbo ulit. Ito, and wind and fire. Tingnan natin kung gano'ng karami ang violation nito. Ginising mo na? Good morning! Good morning, Pilipinas! Philippines! Don't touch my pepe. You remember that 31st night of September? Love was changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away. Hi, JSMZ. Sino kaya to si JSMZ official? Thumbs up po. But yeah, say you do remember. Nawala na agad ang boses. Dancing in September, but yeah, never was a cloudy day. Nawala na ako ng boses, oh. Nag-uumpisa pa lang eh. Good morning din po, JSMZ, Jzim. Badu-badu-day. Badu-badu-day. Holding hands with your hand to see you. Only blue talking loud. Remember how we know love was here to stay. Now December, found the love we shared. Only blue talking loud. Remember the love we shared today. Badudai, say do you remember Badudai? Dancing in September, Badudai, never was a cloudy day. It was a Badudai, say do you remember Badudai? Dancing in September, Badudai. Gising na, sumasayaw na ba? Days. Good morning, RJ Koy. Shout out, RJ, Juni. Hello po. Do you remember a cloudy day? Oh, kailangan ko ba kalbo? Hindi ko pwedeng trim lang. May mga yung maninipis na parte. Kaya, ang sagwa kasi kung trim lang. Ganun pa rin. Badudai, say do you remember Badudai? Sundays in December, Badudai, golden gifts were shiny days. Morning din daw. Sayaw na, let's dance, RJ Koy. Tignan natin kung may after ng live,